Reputation management, protecting against vulnerabilities helps preserve the organization's reputation and maintain customer trust and confidence. A strong reputation for security and reliability can differentiate the organization from competitors and attract customers who prioritize data protection and cybersecurity operational continuity by identifying and addressing vulnerabilities. Organizations can ensure the continuous availability and reliability of critical systems and services. Vulnerability management helps minimize the risk of service disruptions and downtime caused by security incidents and cyber attacks. Strategic alignment. Vulnerability management aligns with broader cybersecurity objectives and supports the organization's overall risk management strategy. By integrating vulnerability management into strategic planning processes, organizations can prioritize security investments and allocate resources effectively to mitigate the most significant security risks.